In 2015, the United Nations created the Sustainable Development Goals as a global effort to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. These 17 goals aim to provide a shared blueprint for peace and prosperity for all people and the planet by 2030. At Strawberry Isle Marine Research Society, here in the Clayoquot Biosphere region on the west coast of Vancouver Island, Canada, we're working on goal number 14, Life Below Water. Our home base in the small town of Tofino lays nestled between the shorelines of Clayoquot Sound, and without a doubt, life here is intimately tied to the ocean. The Intertidal zone is a complex and beautiful ecosystem that bridges the gap between land and sea. Quite simply put, the intertidal zone is another world. An abundance of creatures call the intertidal zone home, including sea stars. Sea stars are captivating, vibrant animals that are critically important to the health of the inter- and subtidal ecosystems. Common to our coast, ochre sea stars are a keystone species, and as such, they help maintain biodiversity in the intertidal ecosystem. Ochre stars are voracious predators, and one star can consume up to 80 mussels a year. Sea stars are so important that in an ocean without them, mussel beds would blanket rocks and dominate the intertidal zone, leaving no room for other species to thrive. Anemones, sea slugs, crabs, fish, kelp, algae, all rely on sea stars to maintain the structure of the intertidal ecosystem and to foster that biodiversity. However, sea stars all along the Pacific coast of North America are under threat from a mysterious disease known as sea star wasting syndrome. Since 2013, sea star populations from Mexico to Alaska have experienced mass die-offs. Some areas lost as many as 80 to 100% of their stars to sea star wasting syndrome. Sea star wasting syndrome spreads rapidly. It causes lesions and limb autonomy, and eventually death by rapid tissue disintegration in infected sea stars. Both the cause of the disease and the long-term effects on inter- and subtidal communities are still a mystery. Since 2015, Strawberry Isle Marine Research Society has been dedicated to monitoring the health of sea stars along the coast of Clayoquot and Barkley Sound. The Research Society's Sea Star Stewardship program engages the local community in conservation through hands-on education. This encourages individuals to become ambassadors for life below water within their own backyard. Through our partnership with the multi-agency Rocky Intertidal Network, also known as Marine, and the University of California, we strive to better understand sea star wasting and its effects with long-term monitoring. Our organization is a part of a larger collective of researchers working alongside Marine to contribute towards a North American-wide collection of data concerning the health of sea stars. We believe that by enhancing conservation of intertidal areas, we're playing a vital role in protecting life below water, and that continued education and community involvement will help to mitigate the challenges being faced by our ocean. The ocean is so immense that it blankets 3/4 of the Earth's surface. More than 3 billion people depend on marine and coastal biodiversity for their livelihoods. For life above water to thrive, life below water must be conserved and protected for future generations. At Strawberry Isle Marine Research Society, we're dedicated to the long-term monitoring of sea star populations. We hope that this inspires communities to engage in conservation and in mindful thinking every day. By working together, we believe that harmony and prosperity for all life on our planet is within reach.